Hi, I'm Nathaniel, and I teach a style of meditation called Tranquil Mind. You may have heard of loving kindness meditation before, but this one is a little bit different. And I think once you understand it, you're going to love it. What is Tranquil Mind? Most meditation techniques ask you to focus on something, your breath, a mantra, or maybe a candle flame. And that's fine. But a lot of people find it really difficult. The mind wanders, and then we get frustrated, and then we feel like we're failing in meditation. Tranquil Mind does something different. Instead of focusing hard, we let our awareness gently, peacefully rest. We use loving kindness, that gentle, happy feeling, as our object of meditation. Think of how you feel when you see a puppy or a baby smiling at you. That warm, glowing feeling, that's what we meditate on. And here's the thing, this practice feels good right from the start. In fact, smiling is a core part of it. How does it work? You sit comfortably in a chair, close your eyes, and bring up that warm, happy feeling. You wish yourself well. You'll say phrases like, "May I be happy and may I be peaceful." You rest in that feeling, not forcing it, just letting it be there. And when your mind wanders, because it will, that's what minds do, we use a revolutionary tool called the 6 R's. We recognize that our mind has wandered. We release whatever grabbed our attention. We relax, soften any tension in the body and mind. We re-smile. We bring that gentle smile back. We return to the warm feeling, and then we repeat whenever we need to. The magic is in the relax step. Every time you relax, you're actually letting go of a tiny bit of stress and craving. Over time, you'll find that this practice will transform you. Many people report less stress, better sleep, and improved relationships, often within weeks of starting. Why should you try this? This practice goes all the way back to the original teachings of the Buddha some 2,600 years ago. It's not a modern invention. It's been rediscovered and taught in plain English so anyone can do it. You don't need to be Buddhist, and you don't need any experience. You can learn it in about 15 minutes. If you're new to meditation and don't know where to start, or if you've tried meditation before and given up, I really think Tranquil Mind is worth trying. It's gentle, peaceful, tranquil, and more importantly, it works. Smile, laugh, relax. Enjoy your meditation practice.